a society which we prided ourselves on has changed and altered because, let me be frank, there is too much corruption in our governments. It has become endemic. The soul of Goa has been fractured, I would say. And the core issue is that everybody wants to become rich overnight. Rich overnight by any means, bending the rules, bending the law, and unfortunately, a lot of our people are complicit in it. This could not have happened if we were not complicit. Unfortunately, we are complicit. So the question today is, how do we come out of it?
एटलीस्ट फाल्यां अशें कांय नॉन कॉम्प्रोमायझींग गोवा इश्यूज हायलायट जावपा जाय की हाजेर खंयचोय राजकीय पक्ष सत्तेर आसूं तो ह्या गजाली कडेन कॉम्प्रोमायज करपाक शकना.
That's right. That is what is my thought process, which I'm going to put with the people. See, there are some sections which have been brought in the Town and Country Planning Act, which are the basic source of corruption. These sections permit you, when there is an existing plan of the lifetime if the lifetime of a plan is over, that plan continues till such time the new plan comes in. Okay. But what is happening is, by these sections, they are changing zones, they are changing change of user, they are permitting additional, we call it FSI in here,
we call FAR
FAR, in places where you can't utilize it, and everything for a price. And I think every Goan knows about this. It's not something that I am saying. And who's paying for this? And for whom are you constructing these buildings or development? Is it for the Goan people? Now, I have been arguing and contending sometime before my judges also. In these matters of defections, decide immediately.
Yeah.
Because these are matters of...
you cannot decide after the term of the assembly is over.
And you can't keep those matters pending.
Yes.
One way or the other, finally take a decision
Yes.
and lay down the law.